Hello everyone, let's see some easy and quick craft hacks. First we are making a bird by using this black paper cutout. We are cutting them as in the shape and then joining them. Let's move ahead. Here we've made a shark fish using this blue paper. Here we are cutting it and then just molding it into the shape, and then we are making the long teeth with the help of this white paper, and after that we are assembling all of them together, and then you can see your shark is ready. You can use it for any purpose, for decorating or for anything. Let's move ahead to our next hack. Here we are making a watermelon piece of paper by using some cutouts. As you can see, at last we are detailing it. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a cute uniform by using some blue and white paper. First we are making the shirt and then we're gonna make the coat. After that we are making the skirt by using blue paper only. And then you can see it is almost ready. We have used folding method here. We have used no Fevicol or glue. Let's move ahead. Here we are using some pistachios shells for making a beautiful flower scenery, and then it's ready. Next we are making a cute showpiece of a moon with some flowers on it. We are making the flowers with clay and then pasting it on this moon cutout, and then you can see your beautiful hanging is ready. Let's move ahead. Here we've made some cute bunnies by using different colored papers, and then we are folding it and pasting eyes and wings. Let's move ahead. Here we are making paper flowers by using different colored paper. Here we've made sunflower by using this. Let's move ahead. Here by using some mask and paper, we've made these beautiful handbands. We've used needles and this thread by sewing them together, and then you can see it is ready. It looks so cool. Let's move ahead. Here we are using some green and yellow paper for making our crocodile. We are folding the paper and pasting it on this sheet. As you can see, at last we are detailing the crocodile and it's ready. Next we've used some egg tray for making a beautiful fish, and you can see it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we've used these walnut shells for making our honeybee and then detailing it by using some eyes and some paints. Let's move ahead. Here we've made the clay rainbow, starting with using different colored clay, and also we are detailing it by hanging some clay balloons. Let's move ahead. Here we've made this wall hanging by making some figures in different colors and pasting it on a semicircle. Let's move ahead. Here we've made a frog by using this green color paper. At last we're gonna detail it with black marker, and then we're gonna detail the background by using some leaves and the rain droplets. Let's move ahead. Here we've made these slippers by using green color. Thanks for watching.